My name's Crowe. I'm the president and CEO of Silver One Resources. It's a Canadian listed junior resource company specializing in, as the name suggests, silver. Our current areas of interest are Nevada and also Mexico. Company's relatively new. It's only been trading for just over a year and a half. It has strong financial backing, and recently we acquired the past-producing Candelaria silver mine in Nevada. The opportunities at Candelaria are first and foremost potential production from the old heap leach pads. It was produced up until 1998. Lastly by a company called Kinross Gold, and it produced over 68 million ounces of silver, still sitting on the old heap leach pads that was left over because Kinross shut down only due to low silver prices, are about 43 grams per ton silver estimated to contain, based on a historic resource, about 50 million ounces of silver. So we're reevaluating that. We're doing some metallurgical testing to see whether we can bring these heaps back into production and how much silver can we recover. Those studies are ongoing. We also have opportunity to look at continued high-grade mineralization at depth and a lot of along strike mineralization because there's all sorts of historic workings. So that's the primary focus. We also have 3 projects in Mexico, one that's extremely interesting. We want to focus on the one in northern Sonora State, just south of the US border. It has a lot of geological similarities to the Arizona mining Hermosa Taylor deposit, which essentially has proven to host one of the largest new zinc resources on the planet. And we've got a lot of geological similarities. Early stages, need to drill it, but that's really what we're focusing on right now. The team essentially, we're a small team, but we're a very effective team. And when the company started, we did a deal originally with a company called First Mining Finance that is affiliated with First Majestic. First Majestic operates 7 silver mines in Mexico, so very successful. We acquired 3 Mexican silver projects, and with that we also acquired their former vice president of exploration, Mr. Raul Diaz. Now Mr. Raul Diaz, his claim to fame is worked for 30 to 35 years with Peñoles. He knows Mexico like at the back of his hand. He's also a US citizen. He's familiar with working in Peru. He ran the Peñoles office in Peru for 8 years, and extensive working knowledge of southwestern US. So he's really key to our successful operation. We also have on staff our investor relations lady, Monica Ham. She came over from a previous company that I worked for called Entree Gold Inc., but I was president and CEO of for 13 and a half years. Well, the first one was, of course, the acquisition of the 3 silver projects from First Mining Finance back in mid-2006. And then in early 2017, we acquired the right to earn 100% interest in the Candelaria past-producing silver mine from Silver Standard. And since then, we've done a couple of private placements. We've never done a fully financed broker placement. And we're proceeding with the evaluation of the heaps with respect to near-term production. Well, first of all, if you're looking for an opportunity to invest in silver, and I firmly believe that we are on the cusp of a new precious metals rally, and in an uptick market with respect to precious metals, silver generally performs better on a percentage basis than gold. And if you're looking for that opportunity, then you're going to want to look at either investing in the metal itself or investing in a junior company that has very good upside potential. We're a growth-oriented company, and like all of the silver companies, we've come down in market value with the decrease in silver prices, and I think there's all sorts of room for growth. Well, I've always liked one-to-one conferences. This is my 4th one-to-one conference. I've been to London, I've been to New York, and I just came from the London conference as well. I've been to Hong Kong. Singapore, I'm finding, is it's a smaller conference, but good quality investors. The team that puts together one-to-one has done a very good job in connecting investors with companies. And I am now just heading to New York in a couple of weeks, and I'll also do the one-to-one conference there.